Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for joining us on the channel today and checking out this episode. So, what have we got on the table today? Well, as you can see from the box, it is a G-Force Genova. So, probably the thumbnail's going to give it away a little bit, but why have I got a G-Force Genova back on the channel? Because we did one of these when it first came out, which is about getting on for 2 years ago now. And I've got another one here. Now, there's a reason for this. The Genova G-Force, or the G-Force Genova V2 is just being released now. And it started making it to some people already. So there's the version 2 of the G-Force Genova. Now, there isn't too many differences between the original release in the V2. As far as I understand, if I'm wrong, please do let me know if anyone knows, is that the version 2 comes with a carbon front shock tower and it comes with redesigned front and rear wishbones, or lower wishbones. So I believe that is the main difference between the first edition and the V2. Now, I haven't bought the V2. Also, the box is slightly different. I think it's a different colour scheme on the front. But what I have got is, to be honest, I even forgot that I bought it. Because the pre-orders came out for this back in, I think it was about February this year. It might have even been earlier than that. But I seem to remember it being around February. And I noticed that G-Force were bringing out an overseas, sort of like special edition, limited to 100 pieces, and it was an overseas sort of special edition called the Genova Special Box. So, as I didn't have my G-Force Genova anymore, I sold my original one. I sort of wished I hadn't done that, because, you know, I can't keep them all, as you know, and at the time I had to move that one along. But I did think if I ever get a chance to get another one, then I could be tempted. And before I knew the V2 was coming out, I saw obviously the news that the G-Force Genova Special Box was going to be released, and I could get a pre-order in. So that's what I did, and then I forgot about that I'd done it. Well, I'm not totally forgotten about it, but it was in the back of my mind. So, and then all of a sudden, it arrived. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you haven't seen an unboxing of a Genova G-Force, or a G-Force Genova, I keep saying it the wrong way around, then I'll leave the link in this video description of the original unboxing that I did. But I more want to show you what you get for the special box set. So, first of all, though, before we do, I'll just quickly show you, because there's something that I quite like in this. Now, obviously, clear body, good. Now, just with like the original one that I built, your transmission is pre-built already, so it's the same here, all done for you, which saves on assembly time. Obviously, everyone's not into building cars. I don't mind. I quite like it, but yes, as I said, that's done for you. Wheels and tyres already mounted up. I don't think they're glued though, from what I remember. And as well, in bag A, if you can see it, the shocks are pre-built as well. Okay, well, as I said, check out the original unboxing. I'll put the link into a video description. Okay, so what makes the G-Force Genova Special Box special? Well, for this edition, you get another box with the kit. It's got a few goodies in. Now, you don't need to see it out in a minute. So, now I haven't even taken this out of the wrapping myself yet, so it'll be quite cool to see this. So, we get some goodies here, 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 and here. So these are the extra goodies you get in the special box. Now, I better left my knife over there. Oh well. Right, so what you do get, and I will bring the camera over so you can have a better look at it. the special box comes with these items. You get a pre-painted Genova body shell and wing. This is done by the same painter that Masami Hirosoka uses to do his body shells. Very well-known Japanese RC body painter, and you get that special paint job on this body. So all 100 kits have got the same livery, but it's done like that. So you get that with it. Also, you get a wing to match, and you do get a set of G-Force Genova decals in there as well. Now, as I said, I will take this out and show you properly. Also, you get some G-Force rear inners for your inserts for your tyres. Now, these are the BB inner, which is Bubble Buggy. Now, these have all been hand trimmed by Masami Hirosoka as well. So he's trimmed all these up and then bagged them up, and there you go. That's what you get there. So I might just keep these as they are because I will probably, if I race this, depending when I'm racing it, I might use a different set of wheels and tyres. So I might just keep them in there just to keep it with the car. I don't know yet. I've not decided. You also get this G-Force and Masami joint sort of like servo that's been made with Co-Propo, which is a GDS 0709L, and it's a under 7.4 volts. It's 8.2 kilograms at 0.08 seconds, and it's 6 volts. It's 70 kilograms at 0.09 seconds, and it gives you the specs on there. About 42 grams in weight, as well as all the dimensions. But you get this like this special collaboration low profile servo with it as well. So that'll be nice. That'll stay with the buggy. I will put that into this when I've built it. And I'll open this up so we can see it better because it's in a bag. Now, as I say, you do get the plastic shocks with the kits, but in the special box. Now, these have been available to buy for a while because you can upgrade your G-Force if you had one anyway. But they've included these in this box set. So what you do get is a very nice set of front and rear alloy dampers there. So these look rather nice in like a sort of an orange anodized finish. So I look forward to building them up and putting them on, and it'd be nice to see how different they feel compared to the kit plastic shocks that you got with it. So you get them as well, which is cool. And you also get a full set of G-Force titanium turnbuckles as well. Now, you do get the turnbuckles in the kit. They're just the black sort of probably steel ones, but you get some titanium ones here to add to it. So that's what you get in the kit. So that's pretty cool. And also as well, I was just thinking, what's that then? And I think in here, if I dare open it, you get some, which again I'll probably just keep, but you get if you can see it here, you get two limited edition Masami stickers as well, so it's pretty cool. So I will just keep these with the box. So apart from these stickers and things, it's like that. I did see a comment somewhere saying, well, surely you could replicate this build just by buying all the things, and I suppose to a degree you could. Apart from you will have to get the exact same servo. You need to try and get some of these stickers if they're available at all. I'm not sure if they are, and I'm not sure if you could get the inserts unless these were just trimmed down by Masami for this box set only, or they're all like that and you can just buy them like that. I don't know. So yeah, maybe you could make a replica and you could have it all sprayed up. You could do and get a similar spray job done, I'm sure. But so what I thought was, well, I kind of wanted to get it as well because I like the buggy anyway, and I was more you know, wanted it because it was like a limited run as well. Made it maybe a little bit more special, and it'd be something I intend to keep and use. So I thought, well, how could I sort of prove later on that it was one of the 100 special boxes that were made? Well, this is what I ended up doing. On the box that came all the way from Japan, there was this sticker on the box which said Genova special box with the sort of cartoon logo of Masami, and it said thank you so much at the top, and then below it gives you the spec of what the special box contains, like obviously with the pre-painted body and the shocks and the decals and the titanium turnbuckle. So I thought, well, it'd be worth keeping that and keeping it with the kit in the box and everything, and then at least I can sort of say, well, yeah, this was one of the 100 limited edition pieces. Anyway, so now some people might say that's a bit sad. Maybe it is. I don't know, but I thought I'd do that. I do kind of like things that are limited runs a little bit. Doesn't put me off using them, but I do like the fact that some things are limited runs. Anyway. Now, the other thing that was cool is because I said you got the pre-painted body and the decals, it was still, I think it was good that you still got with the kit, another plain, another clear body shell, as you would do if you were just buying the Genova kit. And of course, in the bottom, I've got to dig it out a minute. There you go as well. That's the manual, but again, you get another set of stickers there, so you can use for that body. So I thought that was quite good that they left them in with this special box. So my idea would be I would put that on the buggy when it's built, trundle it around a bit. But if I go and decide that I'm going to do a bit more, some racing with it, I'd probably like to keep this wing and body shell in nice condition, and that means I have got another body there to spray up. So that's the plan with that one. So yeah, I was quite pleased that you still gave me them. So I think that was very good. Now what we'll do is, because I said I'm going to bring the camera over so you can have a bit of a closer look. I also said this wasn't going to be a long. Well, I was thinking to myself, don't make this a really long video because you've already done an unboxing, but it's probably going to end up being a decent length video. But hey, there we go. So take that off, and then you can sort of see this. It's been painted. It has been painted really nicely. That is really cool. And again, it's a damn sight better than I could ever do. So yeah, doesn't that now? As soon as you take that out of the bubble wrap, doesn't that look cool? I'm liking that. No, that's sealed in there, isn't it? I left my knife over there, which was really good, wasn't it? Right, I'm going to leave the wing in there for now. So they're the decals, which you can see there. So let's bring these bits over. Wing, tyre insert, and then I'm going to put the shocks there. Turnbuckle set here, and then as I said, you've got the Propo servo and the decals, and of course that I'm just going to so you can see it. Right, so what I'm going to do is going to bring this camera over for you, and then you can have a bit of a closer look, but you'll be able to see exactly what you get for the Genova special box. And then after this video is done, the next time you should see this, it should be all built up and ready to go. And at the time of doing this video, I'm thinking I'm probably going to make it brushless. In fact, I did my other Genova build that was brushless as well. So I'm probably going to do the same with this. I might have something suitable lying around. Right, okay, so let's get the camera over and we'll do a bit of a close-up for you. And there you go. So we'll have a quick look there. As you can see, these are the turnbuckles you get, full set of turnbuckles, titanium ones, and of course the gold alloy big bore dampers, and lovely orange alloy. And there, so they're the rear ones, and they're the fronts. And then, as I said, you get this collaboration between G-Force and Copropo, this low profile servo. So I'm going to keep that in the buggy, and that will stay with the buggy. And then I'm going to turn this slightly, and then you can see I proper love that body shell. That's really nice. That's ace. I love it. Plus, I was going to say you're saving your painting it, but it doesn't, because I'm just have to paint another one for using for racing. But generally, it would save me painting up a shell. And then the wing in there, which you can see is going to match it, but that's still sealed in a bag, so I'm going to leave that until I build it. That's the BB inserts, the bubble buggy. So as I said, these have been trimmed especially for so the tyre it fits better in the tyre when you come to put the insert in. Decals, and that was the sticker I was on about that came on the box, which says Genova special box. So that's my proof that I've got one of the 100. So I suppose it would be nice to have had like a number printed on them between 1 and 100, but it's not the end of the world. That's just me, that. So yeah. But yeah, that's very cool. I'm looking forward to this. And obviously next to it, obviously that's just the box there with all the bits to build in the standard buggy. Right, so there you go. That will do for this video. Next time you see this, which shouldn't be long, it should be all built and done. And obviously I know this doesn't look like a yellow Tamiya Mini Cooper, but as this came in and this is current, it moves up the pecking order. One day I'll have a yellow Mini for you. Right, alright, thanks for checking this video out, much appreciated. Look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.